So let's fix this error. Okay. Now we're gonna go to SD key manager, which is in tools. Give you a little bit of time because the computer is running really slow today. I don't know why. So SD key manager. Check the SD key tools. Then we need to check the show package details. We need to uncheck these two boxes that were checked, leaving the last update, which is the 30.00. Then hit apply. As you can see, it frees some space of the disk. Okay. So that's it. Now we have here